Welcome back. We're back with new editions of Shop Today's curated boxes, and we've got a great one for you this morning. This is called the Glam Box. It's a limited edition filled with some of our favorite beauty products. And the best parts, when you buy it, you receive everything you see for 78% off, and it ships free. Okay. Shop Today editorial director Adriana Brox here with details, guys. Let's get to these boxes. They go quick, so get on your QR code, do your thing.
Do your thing. This is over $400 worth of beauty products.
78%
for 78% off. $88. I mean, you get 9 products. These are bestsellers, Shop Today Beauty Award winners.
These are the A+.
This is like the A list, and it's limited edition. First time we've ever done this, so they're going to go fast.
Let's clean our face.
Let's wash our face. Okay. This is the PMD Clean. This device alone is $99, which is more than the box itself right now.
Crazy. So what do you do?
This is going to cleanse your skin.
You just put cleanser on this thing?
You put your cleanser on it. It's going to help really get rid of everything. I use it at home all the time. I really love it because it's a little bit better than just using your hands. It's really getting into your pores and getting rid of all that buildup, and it's made with silicone.
Feels good,
and it's antimicrobial, so you can keep it in the shower, keep it by your sink, and it's going to be totally fine. Really great value.
Love it. It's got different speeds, too.
And speaking of the shower, this is a steaming mask from Pixi that you use in the shower. It's a face mask. So it's got this gel moisture. I want you to see it. It's this gel-like sort of texture, and once you rub it in, it warms up on your skin, and it becomes like oily. It's so nice.
Oh, yeah.
And it's just kind of like a treat for your skin. It's moisturizing.
Heating up right now.
It heats up. It's awesome.
Cool. All right, so you rinse it off, leave it on for a couple of minutes.
Leave it on while you shower.
My kids need this to detangle your hair.
This is the Tangle Teaser. This is an MVP in my house for all hair types, all hair lengths. It's made to detangle your hair without sort of tugging on it. So if you look at it closely, you can see the bristles are long and short. The long ones are what help detangle your hair. The short ones get rid of that frizz. So everyone should have this in their beauty routine.
Light as a feather.
It's great.
I love it. What's the price on this one?
This is $15.99.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So if we want eye cream and face cream, you got a good combination.
These are MVPs. This is from a brand called the Inky List, and the first one is the moisturizer, which is made with ceramides. So we talked to dermatologists. Ceramides are actually designed to lock in your natural moisture.
Yeah.
So this is kind of like a simple, straightforward beauty product that's going to make your skin look way better. It's a beauty award winner. It won best overall moisturizer. So this is the good stuff.
This one goes under the eye.
And this is for under the eyes. It's made with caffeine. And did you know that the skin under your eyes is the thinnest on your body?
Yes, I did know that.
So that's where like signs of aging show up, and you know the dark circles, the lack of sleep. Put this in your fridge. Put it on in the morning.
Nice and cold.
So good.
Okay, I've been in the market for a new fragrance.
Okay.
This is Fenty.
This is Fenty Beauty. Fenty Beauty is an amazing brand by Rihanna. She made this fragrance inspired by herself. She says this is her essence, and it's this like really warm florally fragrance. This alone is $140 retail.
What?
Yeah, it's a really high-end product.
How did you swing this in the boxes?
We tried. The Shop Today team really tried to get the best value for you guys.
That smells so good. All right, lip gloss.
This is from a brand called Merit. It's a lip oil, which is really great. You get this red-orange color. It's sheer, and it's made with all these oils that are super hydrating. So
love it.
Can't go wrong with this.
All right, Mary, our makeup artist, swears by these brushes.
This is the OG beauty sponge. It's from Beauty Blender, and what it's designed to do is get you that airbrushed finish look without airbrush or any fancy tools. Wet it, and you bounce on your foundation.
That's it?
And it gives you that
Do you use it?
I use it all the time. Use it for foundation and concealer, too. So,
by the way, your skin is very buttery.
Thank you.
Up close.
I mean, I use all these products.
Let's self-tan.
And then last but not least, Saint Tropez tanning products. Fake bake. Savannah wants one of these, so we're saving you one of these. 1 hour for a beautiful sunless glow. It comes with the face mist too, which is going to give you a dewy, like kind of natural sun-kissed glow too. You get both.
Doesn't
with the
streak.
No streakiness.
Doesn't smell like Fritos.
Does not smell bad. I use this all the time.
Excellent. All right. To shop this limited edition Glam Box, scan our QR code or head to today.com/boxes. And just so you know, Today does earn a commission for purchases made through our links. And Adriana will be back in the third hour. She's going to reveal another box with another set of beauty products that you do not want to miss.